Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatima Keisha Karmina, and I want to presentation about Samsung Electronic Indonesian Work Report. This is my profile, and this is table of content. First is background and purpose. Second is company profile. Third is company structure. Fourth is company vision and mission. Fifth is job description. Sixth is problem and solving. And last is conclusion. Background. In today's modern era, many of the students who study while working either become permanent employees or interns. This is very good because the internship itself, in addition to earning income, will also add experience. So it doesn't get any harm to go to the college while interning. You should never even trust people who say that an internship will only take your time and be useless. This is of course a big mistake because the internship will actually make your time more valuable. Basically, internship is important because it can train you to be more independent and get to know the world of work. Purpose. Number one is adding experience. Two is have a learning opportunity. Three is measuring self-ability. Four is recognizing the working environment. And five is understand the process of work. Company profile. This company is the largest company in the country of South Korea and is the main icon of the Samsung Group, which is the largest conglomerate in South Korea. The Samsung Group was formed in 1938 by Lee Byung-chul. This company produces electronic equipment like its parent company, which is a company that produces the largest electronic hardware in the world. This is a company structure. Company vision is first leading the digital convergence movement. Second is we believe that through today's technological innovation, we will find a solution we need to meet tomorrow's challenge. Last is technology opens up opportunity for business to grow. For citizen is emerging markets to live well by entering the digital economy stage and so that people can find new opportunities. Company mission is first being the best digital e-company. Second is Samsung has grown into a global company by taking the challenge head on. In the years ahead, our dedicated people will continue to face many challenges and provide creative ideas to develop market-leading product and service. Last is their intelligence will continue to make Samsung a profitable and responsible global company. Job description. Human resource development is a part of the department of a company that is tasked with managing human resources in the company, starting from the task of career planning, recruitment and selection, development, performance management, payroll, to fostering industrial relations. HRD is the company has special function, including internal function and external function. The internal function is namely HRD works as a trainer for employees in the company, while the external function means that HRD employees who have counseling outside the company category can be seen from the high level of ability and willingness of the ability to follow. Problem is often anchored in the HR department is the maintenance and management of employees because if you make a mistake, it will greatly impact company productivity, employee discipline level, and last is employee discrimination. Solving is made to solve the problem is that the first company can instill a distinctive company culture related to increasing productivity so that employees do not make mistakes and follow training correctly. The second is that monitoring in the form of recording employee perform and can also help this process. The solution that the team can do is to use software that can record attendance and is integrated into a smart card. And last is to do demographic mapping and record all events related to her software. This will facilitate company preventative steps in the future. And last is conclusion. I'm more aware of how to measure the ability and personality of prospective employees, how the selection process uses tests so that it can be seen whether the prospective employee has the skills and personality that the company wants. For example, a company needs an employee to work in the finance department. The required criteria are that the prospective employee must have high analytical and calculating skills and have a personality that is able to work under pressure and is ready to work with a target or deadline. It is the hardest obligation to immediately provide a necessary resource by opening and announcing job vacancies to various parties. After there are prospective job applicants, then the job applicants are selected to choose which job applicants meet the requirement and criteria required by the company. Do you have any question? And I really like the words given by Namjoon or RM as the leader of BTS, and these words make motivation for me. His words is no matter who you are, where you're from, your skin color, your gender identity, just pick yourself. Find your name and find your voice by speaking yourself. And don't forget to love yourself. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.